better opportunity to score.
Here's Baller. Give him 39. Sends it home from 3-point. Lands.
Backing up that last three with another three. The defense has to stop giving them so many clean looks.
It's stolen by Smart. Another miss. He's 0 for 2 now. Toronto's shooting is around 55% so far. Here's Ferguson. Ooh, he's looking good tonight. He's drilled 9 of 15 so far.
And very few teams rely on mid-range jumpers nowadays, but that's been their preferred way of finding points.
Here's Baller. He's got 42. Unloads. Hammonds grabs a rebound. Here's Kim. The rebound by Baller. Baller's got his 6th rebound on the night. Up and in on the layup. Baller's got 44.
And trust me, when the D's slow to react, he'll be the first guy to make them pay.
Well, I know they don't have mobile devices out there for texting, so they might as well talk to one another.
Here's ABC. He's got 21, and it's rejected. And they'll get another chance. Starks the pass to Ferguson. He buries it from 3. Ferguson's got 9 points now in the quarter.
Not just the accuracy in the quarter, it's his movement and the energy that's getting him on this nice roll.
Just incredible. I mean, he's really making it rain out there, knocking them down one after another.
Kind of like he's in his living room right now. He's found a comfort zone. Once he gets that, the defense knows they're in trouble.
It's tipped. They recover it, and that one's good. ABC. Here's Baller. Non-stop scoring machine right here. Going in. Oh, are you kidding me? Wow.
Amazing.
Man.
Come on now, guys. That's flat out insane.
Hey, when's the last time you saw a jam like that? Up high and down it goes on the lob.
You could just see how in sync they were there.
That's what it takes to pull that off. Fades. And another one. And that gives him 51.
Making it look easy.
I mean, he is at his best when it matters most. This game is theirs as long as he can keep this up.
Out of bounds as Toronto keeps possession.
Checking in for Toronto, Augustine.
Releases from 15. And the foul is called. He missed it, so he's got a couple of free throws coming his way.
Man, good whistle there.
At the line for Toronto, Starks.
No good on that one. And he sinks the second. And there's 1:38 left to play in the first half of basketball. And good! There's another! Oh, he's been absolutely ridiculous in this game.
BA, it feels like he can't miss.
Pass to ABC. Perfect pass to set up the lay-in. ABC's got 25 points in the game.
Good passing to set that up. Teamwork on display.
Here's Baller. That three's off the mark.
Yeah, and they've taken their foot off the gas a little. They were much more aggressive to start the game and really getting their opponent in early foul trouble.
And they get it back. Here's Starks. And so he draws the foul, headed to the line to shoot a pair.
Number 5, second personal foul.
And looking at second chance points last year, here were the teams that did the most damage on the offensive glass.
Second chance points were crucial to their offensive production, so they worked to maximize that strength.
Well, it's interesting to watch him because he's putting his body on the line to get to the line. We didn't see this during the first quarter, but he's making up for it here.
Here's Baller. What an incredible scoring display he's putting on tonight. Smart outside. Knocks down the triple.
Smart.
And you have to think that they're leading this game because of how they've controlled the boards tonight.
Toronto shooting 56% for the second quarter. ABC, the pass to Starks. There's the steal. 9 seconds separating the shot clock and game clock.
Number 5.
He's played a huge role in this game to this point, but it looks like he just wants more. He wants to make sure that this lead holds up.
Pass to Carr. Here's Starks. Here's Carr. He's got 5. And looks like an illegal pick was set. That gets the ref's attention.
And that's 2 awful trips in a row resulting in turnovers.
Here's Baller. He gets it in there. Baller's got 57 points.
I love the aggressiveness. He's been on fire the entire first half and continues to strike while the iron's hot.
It could go. And at the buzzer! Count it!
Just textbook. Kept his cool and waited for his shot.
Columbus.
That's exactly how you want to close out the quarter, too, with some... confidence.
A dominating first half of play, and so far it hasn't been close.
It's the 2K Sports Halftime Show.
Hello, basketball fans. What a pleasure it is to bring you into the 2K studios again. Ernie Johnson, Shaquille O'Neal, Kenny the Jet Smith. Looking at Columbus, Kenny, what was your impression?
Well, they went downtown and threw a party, and fortunately...
Thanks for joining us, folks.
And as we dive into the second half, we'll find out if the next 2 quarters are any different from the first 2. So far, it's been a runaway. Toronto shooting it with confidence, 54% so far. And it's Smart in at the 3. To the inside. And blocked. That one goes careening off the glass.
Well, his shots aren't dropping, and they haven't been able to keep pace, but they trust him enough to keep going to him, see if he can find it.
Here's May. Smart outside. Here's Starks. Blanketed by the D. He fights to the rim for the layup. Starks has got 10.
That's a great move. He felt the defense closing in, extended the arm, and a quick finger roll.
He drops it from range.
Defensively, you have to stay connected to him at all times or he will bury you.
Kim uses the glass to finish the layup. He has 6.
We've seen that more than once today. An effortless basket inside.
Here in this third quarter, just over a minute play. Baller passes to May, lets it go from deep. They get it again. Here's ABC. Ooh, anticipated the pass. It's a turnover. The 11-footer, deflected. Goes back up and gets hacked by the D. He'll go to the line.
First personal foul.
Almost converts despite the contact.
At the line for 2, Roberts.
First free throw is good. And he makes the first but misses the second. Columbus is shooting 74%. Just an unbelievable offensive display here. Livingston passes to May. Here's ABC. Shakes off strong D and gets to the bucket for 2 points.
You don't want to ever give up points on the boards. That's the lesson for the team there. That's a hustle play to save points.
Out of bounds as Toronto keeps possession.
The ball goes to Toronto.